someone recently said, if you implement technology, you're just amplifying what's in place. If you've got poor plans in place, technology will amplify that. If you've got good plans in place, it will, can transform your business. So that's, I guess, the starting point of the conversation. I would say invest in the right talent. You need the right leader to drive your program that can balance both the technical workload with influencing people. I would say you asked about successes, and the mines we have seen the best buy-in and support for these kind of programs has been where there was a senior leader in a position that was exceptional with stakeholder management and engaging a lot with people. So you need someone that's got the right handle on the technical and can do it with confidence and credibility, but also has the personality and going to engage with people.